I'm going to put together a small project. The card that just came to me from a friend, her name's Sue, I'm going to put in a frame that's been sitting around the house. It was possibly one of my daughter's frames, but they're not using it, so guess what? I'm gonna put it to good use. I bought some washi tape and I figure I have to use some of this because, well, I'll show you. When I fit it, part of the cardboard up top and bottom show. Alright, I'll show you without the frame. Like so. And I'm hoping if I use washi tape at the top and bottom, it'll hold it in place and it'll look nicer. So both of these are new from Walmart, and I'm having a hard time deciding what to use, but I don't want to distract from the flowers. And as you see, there's some floral designs there and there, and a beautiful one over here. But I think I've decided on this one, and I've partly opened it with the scissor. Maybe I can, yeah. So here it is, and I'm hoping it'll do the job. I'm waiting for my husband to get home from work, and it's a beautiful day out. We want to go for a walk. And maybe I'll take you along. There's some nice houses on the street we want to walk on. We probably drive down first, park at the church parking lot. The community church in town has a parking lot that we usually park at to go take walks. So far that's what it looks like. I don't know, maybe it needs more tape. It's very DIY, homemade. Same at the bottom, it needs more tape. And I also got together a laundry basket full of stuff to bring over to the lake. We'll check the lake house out this weekend. Probably won't stay the night or anything, but I'll slowly move stuff in for the spring that I want over there, like towels, clothes. I have a basketball I want to bring over. They have a court, but it's usually being used. But now, before anyone else gets there for the spring, summer, maybe I can shoot on the court with my husband. Shoot basketball. Okay, here we go. Here it is. What do you think? It's doable. I like it. I don't mind. Maybe I could put like designs around it somehow if I find some crafty items. Kind of cover up the fact that I had to washi tape it, but I don't mind. Again, thank you, Sue, for this beautiful card. And I think it looks lovely. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.